I'm so glad I went with Winona when looking for menopause care.
I was just blown out the way. Just that thoroughness from Winona was just really helpful.
Winona is unlike anything else I've tried, from the quality of care to the education aspect. The entire team is super responsive. I'm finally feeling like me again. It's such a relief.
I have more energy, less anxiety, I sleep better.
I noticed a change in my mood and energy level the very first day. It was really easy to sign up for Winona. I just went online and created an account for myself and started communicating with my doctor online.
I have this problem now. Like, don't refer me to someone I have to talk to in 8 months or something. I think I signed up and the next day, and I think I probably had a cream in the mail like 2 days later or something. So it was just really like, whew, I'm gonna deal with this now, and I'll feel better sooner than later.
You have access to your doctor whenever you need to. Just knowing that I can easily send him an email and he does answer, and there's someone there for me.
The Winona team is fantastic. Dr. Green is right there and you're getting answers like immediately.
It just felt different immediately, like no other type of conversation I've had with a doctor.
I really appreciated how the doctors didn't just write the prescription and that was that. They have been here for me every step of the way.
It really puts your mind at ease that you could get answers so quickly and about things that are so personal. And so I really love that aspect of Winona, actually.
It's been great to have a community of women going through the same thing.
I feel it's really important to connect with other women on this topic.
Oh, we're all dealing with this, and it can hit you at 35 years old or 60 years old, and it's just so nice to feel supported.
I feel like I'm not the only one going through this. There's many more of us. And I like how as we get together, we empower each other and learn from each other.
Not only does Winona provide an online community for women to connect, but there are also in-person events like workout classes, cooking classes, and I just think it's really great that Winona provides support to women in all kinds of ways.
Winona is a space that provides women with tools to empower themselves to have a better life.
I'm the type of person who likes to deeply research things. My health is extremely important to me. So I really appreciate all of the resources and educational pieces Winona offers. That's something I didn't find when I was looking at other companies for menopause care.
I definitely would recommend Winona to a friend.
If you're on the fence, give it a shot.
Give it a try. Like, don't be afraid to take your health in your own hands.
With Winona, I feel much more hopeful. I'm getting some of my confidence back. I feel good. My overall mood has lifted.
Where I am now is back to what I consider my effervescent self that is interested in and curious again and excited about my life.
So thanks to Winona, I turned the page and I'm a different person.
I feel more empowered. I don't feel like aging is something that's happening to me.
At this age, I'm living a more fulfilling life now and I'm enjoying it.
If I could write a thank you card to Winona, I'm gonna get emotional. I would say thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me feel like me again.